Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an org chart in Lucidchart. So let's get straight into it. Now open your workspace on the Lucidchart Canva. Then let's go here to shapes. So here at the left, you will see these icons shapes. Go to the more shapes and let's find org chart. So we can also type in right here org chart like so. We need this one and then use selected shapes just like that. All right, as you can see, we have it org chart right here. Now we can import data. So ensure that you have some data here. So import employee table. So let's go with that. I will use Excel file and let's find it here in my project manager Excel like so. Now it will take a moment. How does your table identify a supervisor using ID numbers? Provide the best experience. Let's go by name. Uh, and yeah, task name. Let's say project name. Actual. Yeah, let's go with project name. Click next. Task name. Yes. Role. Uh, assign to. And we don't have that URL. Next. All right, create separate org chart. Okay, so create one org and finish. Now let's see what happens. And now, as you can see, we have here this chart right over here with these names and what they are doing. And yeah, this is the simplest way to show you how you can import org chart and create it. Now you can play with this a little bit, so you can change the style of these boxes. So you have here on the right side some options. Also, you can also add fields here. Then you can start building more and more. So yeah, this is basically it, how you can create an org chart. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.